It's my joy having you guys back. So here in this slide, we're going to be talking about what theme is theme installation. Yeah, so we're going to learn on how to install our WordPress themes. Previously, we have installed WordPress, so we're going to learn how to install WordPress themes. So there are two ways of installing a WordPress theme. One you install from the admin, and the second way is for you to install from your cPanel. So the both of them are cool, both of them are nice, but the most preferable way is to install from your roots folder, which is your file manager or your cPanel. Alright, so now this is my front end. You can see how messy it is. Then yeah, so this is the admin end. So if you want to install from your admin ends, that's cool. So you can come to theme app, you can come to this appearance, you click on themes. Alright, so these are the follow com themes, these are the demo theme, I mean the already installed theme that comes with WordPress. Alright, so we might not be needing all of this, so we don't need all of this. We want to install our own theme, so you can come to this add themes. So there are so many themes that you want to customize, you want to work with. So these ones are free, but they are limited. They are very free, but very limited, very limited. All right, so we don't need all of this. Still, so many themes here, so many themes, but all of them are what? They are all limited. They are all limited. They have a pre version, so if you want to enjoy the full version of it, so you can pay. So but we are not going to install any of them because they are limited. So you can just come up to this place. Here they write upload theme. You click on upload theme, then you can now choose your theme. So I have a theme already I want to use, so we'll come over to so this is the theme I'm going to upload. So you click on this, you upload. Alright, so you now click on install. Alright, so this is going to take time. Usually this thing crashes at times, so that's why the best way to do that is to upload your theme from your cPanel. As you can see, say theme installation was failed. Yeah, so that's one way to install your theme. Then the other way is to come to your cPanel. Let's go back to our cPanel. Let's go back to our cPanel. We'll click here, control panel. So it's going to take us back to our cPanel. Then we'll now go to file manager. Remember I told you guys when we were talking about when we talked about cPanel overview, I told you guys about the file manager. Yeah, so sorry, my network is kind of bad. Alright, so now this is it. So yeah, this is my cPanel. So we can come to this file manager here. When you click on it, so it will take you to where all your files are. So we're going to now, if you just purchase your domain name, here will be very free. You will not have all of these files. The reason why you're seeing all these files is because I've been uploading a whole lot of files here. I've been uploading a whole lot of sites here, so that's why it's too busy. But when you purchase a domain and you're hosting, only what you will see here is your public underscore HTML. That's what you will see. The rest is just blank. You understand? So you won't be seeing all of this. So you don't get yourself confused. So the reason why you're seeing all of this because I've been working on this cPanel for a while. I have a whole lot of sites. You can see them here. You can see even this one I uploaded it this evening, yesterday 6 p.m. You can see yesterday 6 p.m. That was when I uploaded this one actually. So this is May 16th. This is also yesterday 2:14. It was updated yesterday by 2:14 p.m. and all of that. So this is April 4th 2026. You can see, so this is July. This one is worked on today 12:47 a.m. so you can see all of that. So now you click on let me go back. So you click on your public underscore HTML. Please take note, public underscore HTML, public underscore HTML, this one here. So you click on it. Then let's look for the name of our file. Remember, it's shop. We gave it what? Shop. So I'm going to click on it. Then when you click on it, you'll see WP admin, WP content, WP include. So click on WP content. Then you will see your backup lay, your cache, your plugins, speed cache, config themes, upgrade and upload. So what you do, you don't have any business with these ones there. So the only thing you'll be having business with is your theme and your plugin. So outside that, you don't have any business. So for now, we just want to upload our theme. So we'll click on themes. Then you can see these are those themes that came with WordPress by default. So I'll just quickly take you to that place, to our back end. Then so you confirm yourself. So okay, you can see these are those three things. We have the 2025, 2024, 2023. So when you come over to, you can see the 2025, 2024, 2023. So those are the default things. You might want to delete them, or you might just want to leave them, whichever which that suits you. That's fine. You want to delete or you want to leave. So you just click on this upload to upload your own theme. Alright, so don't worry, after this video or before the end of this video, I'll show you how to get your theme. So you now click on select. So this is the theme. Wherever it's saved on your device, you can locate it wherever it's saved on your device and click on select, click on it, then you upload. So I'll be sending you this theme for your use. So now you can see this has gotten 200, but it's set to show green. So you have to wait for it to show green before you do anything. So if you don't wait for it to show green, that means it has not been uploaded successfully. But you have to wait for it to get to 100%, then it to show green. So it's not showing green. So we'll click on go back to home. Sorry about that. So now this is our theme. When you come here, you click on it, then you extract. You click on it and you extract. So you extract files. It has been extracted successfully. So you just you come over to here, you reload. Okay, as you can see, but this theme is not yet installed on our direct folder. So what we'll do, we'll click on this, then you can see these are the main files. So what we do, you select all, then you click on move. If it's just a new domain, you clear it down to this public underscore HTML. But now this is not a new domain, this is just a folder I created inside this domain. So I'm just going to clear this down to the name of our folder. Alright, so sorry, now you clear down to this extent, you move your files. So let's go back to, please make sure you watch this video over and over and over again. If you don't understand it, make sure you watch it over and over and over again till you understand it. Alright, so this is the main theme here. So we're going to extract this one again. So we're going to extract this one again. Extract. Alright, so our theme has been extracted. So let's reload. Okay, so our theme has been extracted for us. So this is it. So this is the theme here. So what we'll do now, we just need to go back to our back end. We'll reload. When you reload, you can now see the theme is here. So what you do, you now click on activate. Boom. So our theme has been activated. So it said your license is not activated, go ahead and blah 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 blah. So this is how to install your theme on WordPress. So in the next, okay, I said that before the end of this video I'll show you how to get your theme. Alright, so this Sahifa theme, now you can get it from TeamForest, teamforest.net. So when you come to teamforest.net, let me reload this. So when you come to teamforest.net, you can search for Sahifa. You can search for say, or any theme you want to go for, anything you have in mind you want to go for. You can search for it by the functions. So this is Sahifa. So you can see it's $59. It's $59. So Sahifa is $59, but shout out to Tech Vibe. They have actually covered most of the fees. They have covered all the fees, not most of the fees. So I'll be giving you guys the theme for free. Um, I'll also be uploading it together with this video. So the theme goes for free. So shout out to Tech Vibe. They have covered it. Then all the themes we'll be using for this tutorial, it has been fully covered by Tech Vibe. Then if you want to build a website for a client and you don't have a theme, probably it's quite expensive, you can always reach out to me. I'll be putting my number around here somewhere in the screen, so you can reach out to me on WhatsApp that you want to purchase a theme. So my themes are very affordable. This is $59, but you can reach out to me, then I might sell it. I will sell it to you for a cheaper rate. Very, very affordable. Alright, so my guys, my friends, so this is how to install WordPress theme on your WordPress. On the next slide, I will show you how to install plugins, and we are good to go. Bye for now.